In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add segment in Mailchimp 2026 step by step. First, sign in and head to your Mailchimp dashboard. We'll be working inside your audience area where all your contacts live. Look to the left-hand panel. This is your main navigation. Click Audience to open your audience workspace. From here, you'll see options for managing contacts, tags, and more. What we want next is segments, so go ahead and select segments within the audience section. Segments let you group contacts based on shared traits or behaviors, which is great for sending more targeted campaigns. On the right-hand side of the segments page, you'll find the option to create something new. Click Create Segment. This opens the segment builder where you'll define the rules that determine who belongs in this group. You'll notice a filter area with a search or selection field. This is where you choose the criteria. Click into the Select or Search a Filter field and start typing to quickly find what you need, or browse the list if you prefer. For example, you can choose a profile attribute like company, click company to use that as your filter, then set the condition, such as is not, contains, or is empty, and enter the value that matches your targeting goal. This is helpful if you want to group contacts who work at a certain organization or within a particular industry. Another useful example is filtering by when someone joined your list. Choose the date added or email date added filter, set the condition to is after, and then pick a specific date. This instantly includes only the contacts who were added after that point, which is perfect for recent subscribers or a new customer welcome series. If you want to narrow it down further, you can add more filters. Use the Add Filter option to stack additional rules. You can combine demographic data with engagement signals, for instance, to build a highly focused audience. Keep an eye on whether the logic is set to match any or all conditions, since that changes how strict your segment will be. As you build, review the live preview or estimated count of contacts that match your filters. This helps you confirm the segment is working as intended before you use it. Double-check spelling in values like company names, verify your date selections, and make sure each condition reflects your goal. When everything looks right, your segment is ready to use in campaigns or automations, giving you more relevant messaging and better results.